Yusuf, pack your little bag.
Why, Baba?
Because we are going to Makkah for Hajj.
The Kaaba? Really? Baba, will we really see the Kaaba with our own eyes?
Yes, my son, millions dream of this journey.
Why do people go for Hajj? To become closer to Allah.
Let's go, the adventure begins.
It's so beautiful.
Make a dua, Yusuf.
Ya Allah, thank you for bringing me here. Baba, everyone is wearing white clothes.
Yes, Yusuf,
But how can we tell who is rich or poor?
in front of Allah, everyone is equal.
My feet hurt. I want to stop. Hajj teaches patience, my son.
Remember Hajra AS, she walked with hope and trust in Allah.
Okay, I'll keep going.
My mama says helping people makes Allah happy.
Thank you, little boy. You have learned one of Hajj's greatest lessons.
Ya Allah, help me become a good Muslim.
Allah listens to every sincere dua.
Under the skies of Arafah, we felt closer to Allah than ever before.
Baba, Hajj isn't just about traveling, is it?
No, my son.
It's about becoming better inside your heart.
And Yusuf returned home carrying the most beautiful gift of all.